What's going on, guys? My name is Jeffrey. Welcome back to Epic Reactions and to a reaction of 2020 FESTA BTS Airplane Part 2 Summer Version at 2018 Summer Package in Saipan. So let me know what 2020 FESTA is. I literally have no idea what FESTA means. I literally, please explain to me in the comment section below. But yeah, we're reacting to this brand new video. A lot of people want me to react to this. If you're brand new to the channel, you should definitely hit the subscribe button, click the like button. I might find another like live performance after this to react to. I don't know, we're not sure yet, but yeah, check out my Patreon for exclusive content. Everything just linked in the description below. Follow me on Twitter, all that. Yeah, I'm super excited for this. I literally have no idea what this is. I don't know what 2018 Summer Package in Saipan is either. I don't know any of it. So yeah, let's do this. Ooh, I didn't expect this. This is amazing. Honestly, this is amazing. Bro, who's sitting over there? Oh, okay. Go off, RM. This is such a good song. I love this song. Let me know where they are right now. I feel like they're like at a resort. I feel like they're on vacation, but they had made this video for fun. I don't even know, honestly. That's what it seems like. Bro, why does J-Hope's shirt look way too big for him? why is his shirt so big, though? Why is his shirt so big? Bro, this part is fire, honestly. This is great, honestly. I love this, dude. Oh, dude, go off. Bro, that tattoo on his hand. That was super dope. That was super dope. I love how it's just like them kind of like sitting there having fun. Oh, so BTS FESTA. Let me see. All right, so I'm not gonna be reacting to the shoot, but like let me know like what like the FESTA is. Like that would help a lot. And if you guys want me to react to anything else from like the FESTA, let me know. Yeah, let me know what it is first. So let me know if you guys want me to see me react to anything else from the FESTA. If they're having a FESTA this year, because it seemed like it from the playlist. It seemed like there was like a yearly FESTA event. But yeah, that's gonna do it for the video. I don't really want to like react to anything else because a lot of people are gonna be coming just for this specific video, and they're not gonna watch anything else or their other videos. So I'm gonna save another performance for another video. So yeah, if you guys are brand new to the YouTube channel, you should definitely hit the subscribe button, click the like button. I react to BTS every single day, so yeah, be sure to hit that subscribe button, click the like button. It helps our channel grow so much. Follow me on Twitter, check my Patreon, support the channel, and yeah, thank you guys all for the support. I love you guys, and yeah, see you on the next video, Army.